Christmas crack. It's delicious. And today I'm going to show you how to make it. Christmas crack, aka Saltine Cracker Toffee, originated in the South in 1876 when saltine crackers became available. It goes by many names, but the most popular is Christmas crack. To get started, you'll need a few ingredients. About 40 saltine crackers, enough to cover a baking sheet, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and optional toppings. Crushed candy canes, pretzels, marshmallows, chopped nuts, or holiday sprinkles for that festive touch. Step 1. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil and spray it lightly with cooking spray, or coat it with butter. Now, arrange the saltine crackers in a single layer, covering the entire sheet. Step 2. In a medium saucepan, combine the butter and brown sugar over medium heat. Stir constantly until the mixture comes to a boil. Once it's bubbling, let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes without stirring. It'll look thick and caramel-like. Step 3. Carefully pour the hot toffee over the crackers, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Step 4. Pop the tray into the preheated oven and bake for about 5 minutes. Step 5. Once it's out of the oven, immediately spread the chocolate chips over the hot toffee. Let them sit for a minute or two to melt. Then, spread the chocolate evenly with a spatula or the back of a spoon. Step 6. Add your favorite toppings while the chocolate is still warm. Once it's decorated, pop the tray into the fridge for at least 30 minutes to set. Step 7. Once it's completely hardened, break it into pieces. And there you have it, Christmas crack. It's perfect for sharing, gifting, or just enjoying with a cup of hot cocoa. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos from Show and Tell.